Welcome to Kurumba Maldives, a Maldives island resort that offers more than just sun, sand and sea. A resort full of surprises, fun activities, lively entertainment and smiling faces that are sure to give your Maldives holiday so much more. Kurumba is ideal for guests of all ages. With a wide variety of entertainment, facilities, activities and social events, the resort serves couples, honeymooners, friends, families and small groups with a smile and splash of Maldivian charisma. As the Maldives' very first private island resort, Kurumba is proud of its heritage. Whilst they continually revitalize their offerings, they also remain faithful to their roots by offering traditional Maldivian experiences. It is a cosmopolitan island with a wide variety of accommodation, diverse choice of restaurants and bars, vibrant live entertainment, hosted social events and lots of activities to choose from. How to get to Kurumba Maldives? Make every moment count. The resort is just a 10-minute speedboat ride from the airport, available 24 hours, ensuring you are on the beach, cocktail in hand, within moments of touching down. The return trip will cost you $120. Eating at the Kurumba Maldives. A melting pot of cuisines alive with flavor. Dine in your room, a romantic dinner for two on the beach or choose a culinary adventure in one of its 8 restaurants. There are also barefoot beach bars or vibrant evening bars with live entertainment to put on your dance moves. The chefs are able to cater to a number of dietary requirements. Vegetarians, vegans, gluten-free, halal and Jain can be arranged if needed. Activities at the Kurumba Maldives. To chill or play? What a fun decision! Need some romantic inspiration or ideas for the family? The Kurumba Resort offers plenty of activities to make your stay unforgettable. Want to get some exercise during your stay? Then you can head for the gym, play tennis, explore the house reef or try one of many water sport activities. Want to get close to the underwater world? Then join one of the dolphin watch excursions or dive into the deep blue and search for manta rays and sharks. And there is so much more. Visit a local island or male to get to know the locals. Enjoy a romantic sunset cruises or a dinner for two on the beach. The local spa is inspired by the solace of the Maldives Islands, the balance of the oceans, the energy of the indigenous people of the Maldives and the healing effects of human touch while incorporating modern therapies. Rooms at the Kurumba Maldives. The resort offers a wide variety from superior rooms, beach and garden villas, villas with private pools to the luxurious 2-bedroom Kurumba residence. The only thing you will not find are water villas. All rooms and villas are very spacious, close to the beach and come with every essential you might need during your stay. Prices at the Kurumba Maldives. The resort offers very reasonable prices with great services. Even during the peak season, you will find a room for 2 persons, including breakfast and dinner from $480. Bungalows start from $420 per night and villas from $600. If you plan to travel with your whole family, prepare a budget from $700 upwards for one of the bigger villas. For detailed prices and great deals, you can use the link below in the video description. Hope you have a great time in the Maldives. Keep safe and keep traveling.